Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to another episode of Twin Cooking on Twin TV. I'm your host Atif Rahman, and today we're learning another beverage for Ramadan time. It is called Date Lassi. Very easy recipe to make, perfect for sehri and iftar time. So come on in and let's see the ingredients. Okay, to start off, we are going to take about 1.5 cup of yogurt. Now, this is a homemade yogurt, and inshallah, in one of my future videos, I will show you how to make that as well. About 3 tablespoons of sugar. I have taken also 6 to 7 ice cubes. These are the smaller ones. If you have big ones, just use 3 or 4. Just a little bit of some pieces of pistachio. 6 to 7 pieces of almonds, and just a few pieces of walnuts, and I'm using about 7 pieces of seedless dates. You can use a little bit less or a little bit more according to your taste, but don't go over 8 to 9. Alright, so now let's mix them up. We'll start with the yogurt. Now, I know that a lot of people like to put water in their yogurt. I personally like to make it without the water. I think it tastes better. Plus, you're also putting in the ice cubes, which is basically cold water. And once you put it into the crusher, then it's pretty much the same thing. And just add all of these materials together. And then later on you can use some pistachio to garnish the lassi as well. Alright, and now let's mix it up. Alright, so our lassi is ready. So let's just pour it into the glass. Here we go. It is a very delicious recipe. Perfect for Ramadan. Perfect for any occasion really, but Ramadan time, it's very energetic. It tastes delicious, and you can drink it anytime, whether it's on sehri or iftar. Alright viewers, so this is the final product. Please try it out. Let us know in the comments below if you do, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Until we see you again, remember us in your prayers, and we will remember you as well, inshallah. Take care. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Atif Rahman, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share it with everyone you know. Plus, don't hesitate to leave a comment below and press the bell icon button so you can get up-to-dates on all of our new videos every single day. I can't wait to see you next time on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.